Okay, so hi everyone. I hope your preparation is going well. So I got a multiple request on providing a discount on the test series. So on this occasion of Diwali, I am providing the 40% discount on each test series. So let me show you in a detail that these are the testimonials. Okay, you can go through once, and these are the test packages. Okay, so this is the third edition. Before that, a quick introduction about me. Myself, Dipendra Devangan, currently pursuing my master's from IIT Kanpur in Aerospace department and specialized in the thermal. Okay, so if you're a dedicated student, you should go for the complete test series. Okay, you can see the detail. Okay, first you need to register yourself and log in with your user ID and password, and then you can see in the complete details that how much tests are present for each subjects, how much tests are there, then the duration of each test, then MSQ, MCQ type of question. You can see that interface, how it looks like. Does it similar to the actual gate exam or not? Okay. Then you can also go for, before that, you can also go for the free trial. And in the free trial, you can see, I think I have uploaded 2 number of tests. In that, you can check out the time duration, how the clock is visible. Okay. The time format, then everything. Okay. Is it similar to the gate interface or not? So it will be beneficial for you, right? So similarly, you can utilize the coupon Diwali 40 for the lecture series as well. So it is applicable for all the packages. So if you're dedicated student of aerospace, preparing for the aerospace, you should go for this complete test series package. In that, around 134 to 140 tests are included, and having this much of number of questions. I think around 3,200 questions are there. Okay, roughly saying. So yeah, the effective price, talking about the price will be after applying coupon. You have a price of 2,400. Okay, so after applying the coupon of Diwali 40, you will have a 40% discount, and effective price will become 2,400. Okay, so it is a good and minimal price for, so that everyone can afford. So because I got a multiple requests to provide a discount on that. Okay, yeah. So if you want the detail, okay, you can go for a detail. After, you need to register yourself. Okay, first sign up yourself, then log in, then you can see the each and every details. Okay, the name of the test, then number of questions in that. Okay, the what are topics tests are available. Then specifically, you will find a combined test. Combined test is very beneficial for you, because you need to, after doing the single topic test, okay, appearing for a single topics test, you need to have a complete knowledge of a complete syllabus, right? Every subjects you need to have a knowledge. So when it comes to the different subjects concept applying, then that becomes difficult. Okay, so combined tests become important there. Then later on, at the last phase of your preparation, around the Jan month, okay, you can appear for the full mock 65 question full stretch 3-hour test. You can appear, so that you can check your level of preparation where you're standing on. Okay, then you have a detailed feature of each and everything, that how much time you have spent on each question, then complete time taken. Okay, where in which question you have spent more time, then the complete interface, how it is looking like, everything. Okay, each and every details are available. First you need to register yourself, then log in, then you can purchase. Okay, apply the coupon Diwali 40. Okay, you can utilize the 40% discount. Okay, some of the things you can go through. And these are my contact details. You can definitely contact me at any point of time. If you're having anything, you can discuss with me. Feel free to reach out to me, guys. Okay, uh, yeah, so that's it for today. This is more than enough. If you're having anything, contact me. Okay, so let's meet in the next video, guys. Bye bye. All the best for your preparation.